Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel.
Good thoughts. Kindness costs nothing. Choose happiness every day. Believe in yourself. Smile, it's contagious. Every day is a new opportunity. Focus on what you can control. Gratitude leads to happiness. Success is a journey, not a destination. Mistakes are opportunities to learn. Keep open mind and heart. Never give up on your dreams. Empathy and understanding can change the world. You can never too old to learn something new. It's never too late to start over. Failure is a necessary part of success. Don't let your fear hold you back. Small acts of kindness can make a big difference. Your perspective shapes your reality. Love conquers all. Thanks for watching. If you have liked the video, do like, share, and don't forget to subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed till yet.